Hello and welcome. We've all heard the saying, "You're as young as you feel." And although there is truth in that statement, if you are plagued with excess belly fat that you can't get rid of, hair loss, low sex drive, menopausal or prostate issues, and fatigue, chances are you're not feeling that young. You might be interested in knowing that these conditions could be related to your hormones. In our stress-filled world, our hormones can't help but be affected. Certain hormones rise due to stress, while other hormones plummet, creating imbalances in the body, setting up a whole cascade of health challenges. To resolve many of these issues, stress hormones need to be kept at a low level, while other hormones are brought up to their optimal level. One vital hormone in both men and women is testosterone, and DHT, dihydrotestosterone, which is a metabolite of testosterone. Both of these work together, but when out of balance cause unwanted physical issues. As we age, both men and women lose testosterone. As women lose testosterone, DHT levels may rise, causing female hair loss. Certain androgynous male characteristics, including a deepened voice and facial hair. Although female hair loss is more complex, DHT is only one of several possible causes. In men, DHT plays a role in the development and exacerbation of enlarged prostate as well as prostate cancer. Other factors contributing to testosterone loss could be unhealthy weight loss programs, lack of exercise and poor nutrition, also resulting in excess body fat, hair loss in men and sometimes women too, diminishing sex drive, and low energy. The subject of hormones is a very complicated one. You might be thinking, "Oh, I don't want a medical degree, I just want to lose my belly fat." Well, don't blow your top. We have a solution to not only halt the loss of testosterone, but also to help to regenerate your hormone production and help bring your hormones back in balance. The research and clinical trials have already been completed for you. The result is Regeneration USA's hormone balancing supplement called Vitality Factor. Here are some benefits of the Vitality Factor. Women exercise more than men and want results in the gym. Women looking for solutions where fat burners have continuously failed them are now turning to testosterone boosters. However, there are two major concerns with this. They don't want to become manly looking. What you need to remember is that it is not testosterone, but rather DHT that causes the manly effects, including hair loss or facial hair growth in women. The good news is that Regeneration's Vitality Factor blocks DHT by 90%. The second concern for women is the subject of estrogen. A woman's body produces all of the estrogen it needs through her ovaries. During menopause, a woman's body tends to store estrogen in the belly, often accounting for increased belly fat. So we clearly don't want any extra estrogen. The ingredients in the Vitality Factor block the enzyme that converts testosterone to additional estrogen, which may cause fat gain and water retention. In our clinical trials, it was discovered that the ingredients in the Vitality Factor offer better body composition in women, muscle tone, definition, fat loss, and because two ingredients in the Vitality Factor are mild diuretics, women may also experience excess water loss. Women also notice strength gains and progress in the gym. The ingredient sensoril in the Vitality Factor improves sleep and energy levels by reducing the stress hormone cortisol by 24%. Remember, cortisol is a hormone produced by stress, and it is a major contributor to belly fat. Also, in our clinical trials, most reported not only feeling stronger and having more energy, but felt improved confidence levels as well. There was also a reduction in acne caused by higher DHT levels. Women over the age of 40 may have lower testosterone like men. In the clinical trials, many menopausal women reported cessation of many menopausal issues, as well as a reduction in hair loss caused by DHT levels. Men are also loving Vitality Factor. Vitality Factor addresses the two biggest health concerns for men: low testosterone and prostate health. Younger men, ages 18 to 25, usually have high testosterone, so why would they want a testosterone booster? Well, the high testosterone levels can mean higher conversion rates to estrogen and DHT. Acne can be caused by high DHT levels. Vitality Factor helps to stop the conversion of testosterone to DHT, and by doing so, blocks the negative effects. For the group of men aged 25 to 35, they may have normal or a bit lower levels of testosterone. This shift in testosterone levels may mean experiencing less energy, less libido, finding it harder to gain muscle, and gaining more fat. Stress levels can be high. Work, family, finances. Just as in women, stress spikes cortisol levels in men, which can cause muscle loss, fat gain, and lower the hormone DHEA, which then lowers testosterone. Cortisol can make for restless sleep, which can also lower testosterone. Other side effects may include balding, prostate issues, male breast growth, and fat gain. Again, the Sensoril and the Vitality Factor can reduce cortisol in men as well and increase DHEA by 33%. Now, in older men aged 40 and over, low testosterone is forcing many of them to turn to hormone replacement. The prostate is a major concern and has become the #1 health issue for men and the leading type of cancer in men over 40. Testosterone replacement can cause prostate issues, and conversely, prostate medications can suppress testosterone levels. Many men are looking for safer, natural alternatives to combat hair loss, prostate problems, male breast growth, fat gain, and the challenge to gain muscle mass. Vitality Factor can help inhibit the loss of testosterone. Bodybuilders and athletes are very excited about Vitality Factor, which helps them build muscle, lose fat, block the side effects of DHT imbalance, increase testosterone, block testosterone conversion to estrogen, and reduce cortisol. So, how does this work? The ingredients in the Vitality Factor address 5 of the key biochemical phases of the anabolic pathways that drive free testosterone to reach the androgen receptor site in the muscle, triggering muscle growth. In simpler terms, by blocking the conversion of testosterone to both estrogen and DHT by over 80%, you dramatically reduce both the loss of testosterone and the negative side effects that come with elevated levels of estrogen and DHT. Vitality Factor is not replacing testosterone. It is returning your body to a regenerative state to naturally produce testosterone. Here are the ingredients in the Vitality Factor. Prickly cactus pear has been promoted for treating diabetes, high cholesterol, obesity, and hangovers. It is also touted for its antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Some preliminary evidence shows that prickly pear cactus can decrease blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. This extract is also shown to block conversion of testosterone to both estrogen and DHT by over 80%. This is the only testosterone-boosting ingredient ever shown to actually reduce prostate issues by up to 80%, which was found in 2 human clinical trials. A staple in Ayurveda medicine, ashwagandha has been used for arthritis, anxiety, insomnia, tumors, tuberculosis, asthma, bronchitis, backache, fibromyalgia, menstrual problems, hiccups, and chronic liver disease. Ashwagandha is also used as an adaptogen to help the body cope with daily stress, and it is also used as a general tonic. Some people also use ashwagandha for improving thinking ability, decreasing pain and inflammation, and preventing the effects of aging. It is also used for fertility problems in men and women, and also to increase sexual desire. Sensoril, which is an optimized ashwagandha extract, also promotes a more restful sleep, helps provide resistance to stress-induced overeating, and provides a healthy, long-lasting energy alternative to stimulant-based quick fixes. Stinging nettle root is used for urination problems related to an enlarged prostate. These problems include nighttime urination, too frequent or painful urination, inability to urinate, and irritable bladder. Stinging nettle root is also used for joint ailments, as a diuretic, and as an astringent. Boron is a vital trace mineral that is required for the normal growth and health of the body. Many dangerous conditions like arthritis and osteoporosis are naturally managed by boron, and it helps to reduce menopausal symptoms as well. It is believed that boron improves the natural ability of the human body to absorb calcium and magnesium. Vitality Factor's primary focus will be improving all 5 phases of testosterone production. The Vitality Factor ingredients are clinically proven to increase the testosterone precursor DHEA by as much as 33%. It will also increase overall free testosterone, block testosterone conversion to estrogen by as much as 80%, block testosterone conversion to DHT by as much as 80%, reduce cortisol by as much as 24%, and reduce prostate issues by as much as 80%. Vitality Factor is intended for use by any healthy adult looking for a comprehensive approach to testosterone and full-spectrum hormonal optimization. Regeneration's Vitality Factor is 100% natural, plant-based, vegan, non-GMO, and gluten-free. So if you're wanting to not only look younger, but feel and perform younger as well, contact the person who shared this video with you and order your Vitality Factor today. And remember, you are only as young as your hormone production. Thank you so much for watching.